Welcome to this presentation on building a big data strategy. This presentation provides comprehensive strategies for the successful adoption of big data in modern organizations. A big data strategy is a comprehensive roadmap that outlines how organizations will collect, store, process, and analyze large volumes of data to drive business value and competitive advantage. It is the blueprint for how an organization will leverage data to achieve its strategic goals. There are 4 key components in a big data strategy. First, data vision. It defines clear objectives and goals for data utilization. Second, technology stack. It includes the infrastructure and tools for data processing. Third, governance. It covers policies, quality standards, and compliance. And finally, human resources. It defines the skills, roles, and organizational structure needed for the big data initiatives. The strategic planning framework for big data strategy involves 4 key steps. First, assess. In this stage, organizations evaluate their current state and data maturity. Second, define. Organizations define their business objectives and identify relevant use cases. Third, design. It includes architecture and implementation roadmap creation. And finally, execute. This involves deploying and monitoring the big data solutions. Data assessment and current state analysis involves assessment areas, such as data inventory and sources, infrastructure capabilities, skills and expertise gaps, and current analytics maturity. It also defines maturity levels such as basic, that involves manual reporting, developing, that includes some automation, advanced, which is predictive analytics, and optimized, which is driven by artificial intelligence insights. Business objectives and use cases can be categorized into 4 types. Operational, which focuses on process optimization and automation. Analytical, which deals with customer insights and behavior analysis. Strategic, which aims at market intelligence and competitive advantage. And predictive, which helps in risk management and forecasting. The technology architecture consists of several layers. The first layer is analytics and visualization, which provides business intelligence and reporting tools, such as Tableau and Power BI. The second layer is processing and analytics, offering data processing and machine learning platforms like Spark and Hadoop. The third layer is storage and management, providing data lakes and warehouse solutions, such as Amazon Web Services' Simple Storage Service, also known as AWS S3 and Snowflake. The fourth layer is data integration, which includes extract transform load, also known as ETL pipelines, and data ingestion tools like Apache Kafka and Airflow. Data governance and quality include governance policies and quality management. Governance policies focus on data privacy and security standards, access controls and permissions, and compliance with regulations. Quality management involves data validation and cleansing, monitoring and alerting systems, and metadata management. The implementation roadmap consists of 4 phases. First, foundation, which occurs during months 1 to 3. It involves infrastructure setup and team building. Second, pilot, which takes place during months 4 to 8. It includes proof of concept and initial use cases. Third, scale, which happens during months 9 to 15. It focuses on expanding across departments and processes. Fourth, optimize, which occurs from month 16 onwards. It involves advanced analytics and artificial intelligence integration. Success metrics and return on investment, also known as ROI, can be measured in financial, operational, and strategic terms. Financial metrics include revenue growth and cost reduction. Operational metrics focus on process efficiency and automation. Strategic metrics measure market position and innovation. Customer metrics track satisfaction and retention rates. A successful big data strategy transforms data into actionable insights that drive measurable business outcomes. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.